Decoding the Phrase Fam. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the world of modern slang and explore the meaning and usage of the term fam. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this popular phrase and how to use it in your conversations. Fam is a shortened version of the word family. However, in slang terms, it doesn't always refer to one's biological family. Instead, it's used to describe someone you consider close or a group of people you feel connected to, much like a family. Fam can be used in various ways. Let's take a look. 1. Addressing a group or an individual. Hey fam, what's the plan for tonight? 2. Expressing agreement or understanding. I get you, fam. 3. Asking for a favor or assistance. Can you help me out, fam? The key thing to remember is that using fam signifies a sense of closeness or camaraderie with the person you're addressing. While fam is a term of endearment, its appropriateness varies based on context. 1. Casual settings. It's great for informal situations, like chatting with friends. 2. Professional settings. Might want to avoid it here. Stick to more formal greetings and terms. 3. Age and familiarity. While many younger individuals use fam, it might not be as well understood by older generations. Also, using it with someone you just met might come off as overly familiar. Always gauge the situation and relationship before using slang terms in conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the term fam. Now, you're not just familiar with the term, you're part of the fam that knows how to use it correctly. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, language is constantly evolving, so stay curious and keep learning. Until next time,